guys, it's Kieran and it's
Skylar today.
everyone at home. Just stay quiet. Come on, let's go.
There might be animals in here, guys. Shh. Come on, guys, let's go.
Okay.
And we're gonna become.
The nettles on there.
Look at it.
Hey guys, everyone at home. There's blackberries and blueberries. Look at them.
Yeah,
Not ready
look, yummy. No, they're not ready yet, guys. But they'll be yummy when they're ready. What the key?
Yep, there will be.
Which way? This way, guys, come on.
Guys, keep going.
Train.
Hey guys, we're just No!
Come on.
We went to a big field. And then, yeah, because then.
Key, come here. Skylar, come here.
And another train. It's going backwards.
There will be loads of things under here.
Look what people did. Hey, ask me to sit down.
Nice.
Another train. See. Let's go up there and down there.
That's so dangerous.
I know.
We just saw about 20 trees.